Today I'm gonna show you how to watch Spectrum TV in a Fire TV without casting and without any external keyboard. So recently I bought a Fire TV stick and it was a little bit disappointed. I was a little bit disappointed at first because I didn't get Spectrum TV to work fine in it. I found some YouTube clips about it, but none of them seemed to work. But after a while I figured it out. So for that reason, I wanna show you this in case there's more people with the same problem. For starters, you do need a Spectrum TV account, of course. Then what you should do is to, first of all, I can tell you on an Android phone, there is an app for Spectrum TV, but for some reason you cannot use that in a Fire TV. I don't know why they didn't fix that, but it doesn't work. So you need to use the web browser. And there was a problem with the usual browser that's called Silk that comes with from preloaded in the Fire TV stick. It's very difficult to change channel there, at least if you don't have an external keyboard. It's very difficult. What you should do is to install an app called TV Bro. That's a web browser, and I'm not gonna show you how to install it, but I'm gonna give you the download code. It's visible now on the screen. It's 129056. The reason why I will not show you how to install it is that there is other clips on YouTube for that, which I will link to in my comments below. I have already installed TV Bro, so let's start it now. There it is, and as you can see, I now switched to my phone here so I can record my screen. Yeah, this is the address that you should enter, watch.spectrum.net, and log in with your Spectrum account. As I said, you do need a subscription. Yeah, there we go. I turned off my speaker, by the way, but there is sound. I just had to turn it off so it doesn't disturb this video. There was one really important thing to do before, because it didn't work with the original setting, so I'm gonna show you one setting. So please stay with me until the whole end. By the way, you click the return button of your remote to get here to enter stuff and so on. Let's see one more time. There, to change settings. Here I go in the main tab down to choose user agent string, and I put it to Firefox desktop to get this to work. And I tested some of this. Edge desktop would work as well, as far as I can see, but I use Firefox desktop. It's very cool that they added this setting, because that's what actually make this works here. And then, just watch. If you're gonna want to change this channel, and that's what's so good with this browser, because as I said, I tested in Silk browser also, but I couldn't change channel. Go with the mouse cursor here to the left. This is the built-in, I haven't installed any extra application or anything. To the left here, click, then you see all the channels, and here you can actually scroll down in the list here to pick another channel. Just click on it. Yeah, cool. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up, but there's a few things that I wanna mention. First of all, I actually do like my Roku Express better than a Fire TV stick. Um, the Roku Express actually have support for a Spectrum TV app. That's very good. The benefit though with a Fire TV stick is that you can install a VPN in it. So if you travel outside the USA, you wanna use a VPN also to be able to watch Spectrum TV. And the one VPN that I use is called Surfshark. I made a website with all my referral codes, so you get a discount for Surfshark if you click this link. The link to this webpage is ilikemovies.org/referrals.html. I'm gonna put this link in the comments also. So please check it out. There's some other links with discount codes also, like cheap cell phone subscription, credit cards, Robinhood that you can use for buying, selling stocks, privacy to create virtual credit cards, and Wise to transfer money. So please check it out. Thank you, and if you like this YouTube clip, please click like, and thank you for watching it till the end.